All right, Mario wants to do an imitation of me, so what's up, Mario?
What's up, guys?
What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Paint Society. I almost forgot the name of my channel. We got Mario right here. We are going to be featuring Mario today as he looks for the plastic. Mario is out of school about a year and he is phenomenal. I always tell Mario that he has learned a lot quicker than I ever did when I first started off. So we got a big job here. I think this car got hit with some chips likely from the weed eater because they were so small, but like I said, when we get into color, we can't just paint that panel or that direct area. So Mario's gonna be featured. He's gonna take us through what we're doing today. The whole side of the car is getting painted. They've had to work on the color. We'll talk about the color a little bit. So let's finish up with the masking here, and we're gonna go ahead and get this thing painted tonight. Okay, so Mario's got it all wiped down. He's gonna explain to us how he's gonna paint, why he needs to blend, what he's gonna put on first. So, Mario, what exactly is going on the car first?
All right, we got some clear base right here, just so that when the paint gets in there, it melts in nicely. Okay. Got our paint over here, base coat. So what's gonna happen here is this gonna be a blend within this fender. Try to keep away from the hood. And then paint's gonna come all the way. Then we're gonna cut it off.
Right there. So you're trying to make sure your bumper matches and your hood matches.
Yes.
And the rest of this is just gonna get what? Clear. Okay.
Clear.
So then you use the same faux tape and then you use this for the trim.
Yes.
Make sure it pulls the trim away. All right, so we're gonna watch him put clear base down first. He's gonna let that flash, and then he's going to put clear base wet only in the blend area, so the edge of his metallics fall into something wet, not dry. Good news is it's getting towards nighttime. The temperature in the booth has dropped, so I know that this is gonna come out super smooth.
Now
So
the other thing is we use this gun to do a spray out.
yeah.
And we sprayed it at 21 psi. The 21 psi made it lighter, and we take away to 18 psi, and it's a completely different color. For those of you that didn't know that,
Crazy.
Your psi changes your color, but this is only for metallics.
Yeah, so I actually saw the spray out card, and I'll try to show it to you later. It's two different colors. So Mario's gonna actually go grab it right now because seeing is believing. All right, so show me what you got here. Ta-da.
So that's 21 psi, and this is 18 psi.
You can see the line going this way. This is lighter, and this is darker. Same exact color coming out of the same exact pan, same exact can, just difference in pressure. Amazing. Okay, so you saw Mario. The first thing he did is just kind of went over the spots to get some color on them. In his system, the color just covers amazing, and it just lays out so well that he only needs one more coat, which you're about to see now. The color is a pretty good match, although it's not 100%, it's very close, so blending is absolutely necessary. All right, so we're gonna let this flash for about 15 minutes, 110, and then we'll come back for clear. It's looking pretty good. We'll check it over with the sun gun, make sure nothing's mottled or striped or anything like that before we get the approval to clear. Feeling good about it? All right, shine that light on me.
All right, so here we have it.
We're checking to make sure that it's no modeling, no streaking, coverage. So one of the most important things you can do before you actually clear coat. This is going to show you what it looks like when it's out in the sun, and that's when you see all your defects. Because it might look good when it's sitting in the shade in the overhang. Boy, but when that sun comes out, man, you feel like you've never painted a car before in your life. What do you think, Mario?
So far, so good.
All right. That sounds convincing to me. All right, Mario wants to do an imitation of me, so what's up, Mario?
What's up, guys? I want to thank Paint Society for featuring me on this one.
Oh, man. How has Paint Society helped you to become a better painter? 1-800-PAINT-SOCIETY. I called him. Tell me about your story.
Dude, you smiling, I can't do shit. Let's paint.
Okay, so we're ready to clear coat. He's got a 1.3 in there. You want a little bit less fluid because it's at night, a little bit cooler. Paint's gonna flow a little bit better. We're gonna go down the whole side. I think he's gonna do half a panel instead of do the whole panel. Instead of walking the whole car, you're gonna do half and half.
Well,
all right.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna 50% into this.
In the middle.
Just like painting.
Yeah, cut the panels in half. Whoa. Okay, you saw the first coat go on. Now he's gonna do the second coat just a little bit faster. What do you think, Mario?
It is beautiful, as you can see. Paint job complete. Good end result. got the job done, no problem at all. Mario.
Mario, so you heard the man, really quick learner. He's taught me some things. I'm really happy with the way this one looks. We're gonna see if we can maybe get some footage of this when it's all done. I'm not sure. I'm not here tomorrow. I'm not sure if it's gonna be available. So if it is, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Hey, I hope you enjoy this one. It's a short episode. I'm signing out, and I'll see you all on the next one.